Hello, everyone. No, this is not Mr. Sattel. This is Mrs. Lee. And before we get going on our geometry lesson for today, I just want to do a very brief disclaimer. Geometry is not my strong suit. I have worked very, very hard to get this lesson to a place where I think that it will be understandable for you because it was understandable for me. Obviously, if you have any questions, please message me and I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Let's first get into our Imagine Learning Classroom, the ILC. That's where our resource is. So please log in to open up a tab, go to www.login or www.clever.com. Once you have gotten to www.clever.com, this screen showing here should appear. You want to click Login as Student. Once you have clicked Login with Student, a screen similar to this should appear. You might need to type in the name of our school, which is Jeffco Remote Learning Program, in case you were unaware. And once you type that in, this screen is here. Click on that Login with Active Directory. Once you've done that, type in your regular Jeffco username and password. And then it should take you to what is called the Clever portal. Now you might need to scroll up and down a little bit to find our two icons. Hopefully you'll see the Map Accelerator icon. But for now we're using that ILC icon. So once you have clicked there, that should take you to the Imagine Learning Classroom. And when you get there, you should have only your one class, period 5 geometry, ready to go. And if you click there, that should take you to your active assignments page. And you should see the Unit 1, Lesson 1, Build It. So that is how you get logged in to the Imagine Learning Classroom.